My people, wonder shall never end. It don't happen again. It don't burst to every don't scatter. No be small something as I they talk to Nana. Table don't break. Oh, there is fire on the mountain. Run, run, run. No be small fire, my people. As I they talk to Nana, Prophet David Yahweh don't come out again. He don't still drag Evangelist Ebuka again. This one so loud. This one when he drop, he say Evangelist Ebuka say the Mary when they worship say na arose ndị oyibo una understand say no be real Mary. That one when Evangelist Ebuka dey use hand take dey rub am say no be real. Say Evangelist Ebuka, my people, no be wetin I go use my mouth take narrate finish. May e no come be say na me dey use my mouth take dey yarn opata. Na me dey talk different thing. Na me dey forge am. My people, no be me dey forge am. They say wahala e be like bicycle. This matter so e wear makeup join, e wear koko shoe, e come still tie igele. No be small igele, my people. This one dey choke me oh. This one dey choke me. Prophet David Yahweh no wan leave Evangelist Ebuka for waste oh. He say he go dey drag am every day. If he set ring light na Evangelist Ebuka, if not be Evangelist Ebuka, he go be Reverend Father Ejike. If not be Reverend Father Ejike, another ones, another peoples, all this prophet of God, my people, things are really happening. Make una just watch the full video where he for drag them, my people. It don't happen again no. Make una regade.
Hello, exposition about White Mary and Alison Dodger. Ebuka na here. Kawan yo check belima. I show why Ebuka na here. Ka Harlot and Alison Dibo. Kenafia. Akwa kuka. I say I know I have one child million wilo. Say no better. Na hearing now nonsense. Yeah, more million queen of heaven. I don't say when I was fake is fake. We're talking about reality. The main purpose is to expose evil. Nobody is coming to save you. Who is ever coming to save you is I am. Jesus and Fire. There's no doubt Jesus is coming. Because Elijah have come before and go. He come as John the Baptist. Jesus have come and go. He will never come as Jesus again. He came with as a thief. That's what the Bible told you. But I told you I am Jesus and Fire because Jesus have come and go. He will come again as the Yahweh. Yes. And David of our time. So you like happy with it. Let me open your eyes. Be spiritual because you're the God in yourself. Stop being mumu. I've known this a long time ago. But if I start teaching it then, you say, it's antichrist, it's antichrist, it's against Christ. I'm not against Christ. I know I'm not against Christ. One man called me from Abba, say, one man is he went to Ebuka, this and they cut his leg. The problem, I should pray for him. So you know that I say, what about the one that to spend 12.something million naira that last year that I pray for, that went to Ebuka for 3 months and 3 months, that are crying here. Today you have been healed. Have you seen the man come out again to tell you that he following David Yahweh? Okay, remember. You only remember Prophet David Yahweh when you are evil days. Don't worry. Your evil days, you will come and number. You know that I am not available. Nara. And I was Ezeaku. He's not well under. You're not coming. Zion will move. Zion will move to where? Zion on the Rome. Zion is Zion city of David. I am the David that God told you. Jesus will come from Abu David. Jesus will come from where? City of David. No other way. That is the holy temple of the Most High. This is from Zion city of the Lord of Israel. The city of the living God. Not the city of Mary. Why your people? Not city of why walking homosexual. You must know the truth and truth shall set you free. This exposition is to destroy the powers of darkness and to open your eyes and to expose the occultic church of Satan and to set my people free. Fake is fake. Ebuka is complete fake. If it's not a fake, prove it to us that you're not fake. Use Bible. Bible back up. Bible back up why you're not fake. Show us. Bible back up how you're not fake. God is saying, that shall not worship on Sunday. You're keeping Sunday. Are you not fake? That shall not mold any grave image. More Jesus. Are you not fake? That shall not do anything. All the things that God told you should not do. You're doing it. How will you know fake? Fake is obedience, and the whosoever that will disobey God is obeying Satan. All of you that are worshiping Sunday churches and believe in Roman Catholic, all of you are occultic and occultism. The day of your evil days, don't ever call my number because I will not pick. But tell us about you. Tell us Jesus you're talking about. Because there's no true Jesus. Either Yeshua, brag Jesus, or there's no just Jesus. So we must know the one we are talking about. I will not follow you to be doing that afraid. That's why Mathias is right from what he's saying. There are many people are right. Nothing like Jesus. Jesus never existed. Who existed is Yeshua. So so that fake Jesus, why Jesus or Roman Catholic must live. But we'll bring in the real Jesus, which is Yeshua. So we're here to expose and to tell you the truth. So Ebuka is completely fake, Mbaka is fake. Wait them, they're all fake. Worshiping Satan, they belong to occult. So if you don't belong to occult, tell us why you're using Bible. Bible belong to children of God. Bible belong to Sabbath. You're not keeping Sabbath. Why are you using Bible? Many pastors are using this tariff. Remember that this is only for Sabbatarians. Many people don't use it, but now many pastors now they're using it to deceive you. Any pastor that is not doing Sabbath and wearing this thing is a fake. Any pastor that is putting on this thing is a thief, is an occultic that putting on tariff. Tariff is meant for people of Sabbath, Jews. If you don't believe in Jews, Bible does not belong to you. You don't need to use tariff. I see some fake pastors, homosexual and the occultic pastor putting on tariff. When cannot get done. Any pastor that is putting on this thing and you're not keeping Sabbath, thunder will fire you and fire that your church. That's how you're confusing people up and down. You're going to Israel. I don't believe in the Sabbath. What are you going to Israel to do? You go to Israel, you don't believe in Sabbath. You go to Israel and pray in Israel and come back and begin to deceive people. 419ers in the church of Satan. Who have come this time. I've been into a ministry for almost 30 years. I see no Mbaka a ministry. Yes. Just give me 3 years, all of you will run away. Forget those big church you're building. If you like, use 2 billion build church. You borrow leg when the time comes. Now you hear it, go back here again. Because the truth have come to stay. If you're against idol, it must be against Aros and Docha. If Ebuka is against Apooko, we are also against Ebuka because you're worshiping idol. So let us know who is the truth prophet. It cannot be against other people and they call other people fake. Why you are fake? SOB is moving with like SOB is moving with Jezebel that everybody know that Jezebel is a bisexual. And it's calling Okongu Dibia on your bont. Have you seen Okongu on a bont? No. But you want to blackmail him. You don't know that Ebuka is blackmailing laws and telling us if you go to water, you're a fake. But Jesus Christ went to water. That means Jesus is a fake. Elijah went to water. That means Elijah is a fake. David will go to water. That means I'm fake. Where them again? Abraham. Moses went to water to divine. That is fake. In Ayara. I want to say those things. You don't know it's a blackmail. So let us talk the blackmail. And when the time for blackmail come, we'll bring our evidence to pure us. If you go to water, you're fake. Correct money. And you collect 1.something billion. Are you not a fake? You're a fool and the idiot. You must tell. I must tell the whole world that the Bible will not belong to you people. Because you people have been, because of some people are not outspoken. You should not by him making noise. Forget about the multitude. That's your multitude who will destroy. Before in the next few honest religion, that's your auditorium that you're going to build. You will not see anybody there. It must turn into Sabbath or stop using Bible. All the church, you must follow the Sabbath or you turn it. Don't worry. We are not interested. This page is not monetized. We like reporting the page. If you block it, to open another one. Every night, you have gone to Israel and you hear them a word about turn about word. How can you say fasting for 100 days and you're still bound down to idol? I will not bring all those church goers, but I will bring back. I'll bring Ebuka. I'll bring those people. Church goers, they will not know. They don't read Bible. They are business people. But for you that will reading people, I say God will punish all of you all for not telling the people the truth. Fraternity free of mercies. You think you use money to entitle? We're not interested. Before I talk about me, I told you I've rejected billion from Satan, from Queen of Heaven, Mary. I shall allow people to be dying. You think I care because of money? I'm here to save my people. I'm here to liberate Africa. Africa must be saved. Because the Bible says you shall know the truth, you shall set you free. If you believe you know the Bible, give our Bible back up for rosary. Go say ebe Bible dey na akwụkwọ sịrị na agụ rosary. Or go say ebe asị for emere ndị ara. When the Bible anyị na-agụ belong to us. No belong to people of Roman Catholic. Roman Catholic na-efe arụsị. Roman Catholic no big. They know they worship God. Not like Christianity inside Bible. What is in the Bible is Judaism and Sabbath. So if you don't like it, stop using the Bible. Turn the book all of you there. If you don't like it, tell your level for an answer. God will push all of you for this, my people.